AI hallucination is the #1 reason your revenue engine is going to fail this year. We've all seen it. A sales agent promises a discount that doesn't exist, or a superbot misquotes a technical spec from a 3-year-old PDF. In 2024, an AI hallucination was a funny mistake. In 2026, it's a legal liability and a deal killer. If you can't trust your autonomous agents to tell the truth, you can't scale your revenue, period. Today, I'm showing you the Agentic Auditor framework, the uncommon way you can use one AI to police another to ensure 100% accuracy in your CRM. What is an AI hallucination? To fix the problem, we have to understand the cause. LLMs, large language models, are probabilistic, not encyclopedic. They predict the next most likely word, token, in a sequence based on patterns in their training data. A hallucination occurs when the AI encounters a context gap. If you ask for your March 26 pricing guide and the model wasn't trained on that specific data, it uses its internal logic to fill in the blanks. It prioritizes being helpful and coherent over being accurate, leading to a confident but wrong answer. Most people try to fix this with longer prompts, but that just creates more room for the AI to get confused. Instead of asking your AI to be honest, you need to build a system that makes it impossible for it to be wrong. Here is the 3-layer framework to secure your information flow. Layer 1, the Adversarial Auditor. The first common way to stop hallucinations is to stop using one AI model for everything. We're now building adversarial loops. If your primary sales agent is running on GPT-5, you don't use GPT to check its own work. Instead, you use a high reasoning model like Claude as the auditor. Before a message is ever sent to a prospect, the sales agent's draft is sent to the auditor agent. The auditor's only job is to be a critique. It cross-references the draft against your internal knowledge base and flags any discrepancies. If Agent A says we offer 24/7 support and your data says support is 9 to 5, the auditor kills the draft and sends it back to a rewrite. One AI creates, the other AI verifies. Layer number 2, the most effective way to stop hallucinations is to move away from prompting and towards RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. You need to build a sovereign brain for your company. We're indexing every technical spec, sales post-mortem, and pricing change into a private vector database. When your AI needs an answer, it doesn't think, it retrieves. It pulls the specific paragraph from your internal docs and uses the LLM only to format that fact into a sentence. By grounding the AI in your proprietary data, you turn it from a creative writer into a data researcher. If the answer isn't your private brain, the AI is programmed to say, I don't know, rather than making it up. Layer number 3, scaling doesn't mean removing humans. It means positioning them where they matter most, which is why we have to talk about the human in the loop, HITL protocol. We set up our pipeline so that the AI handles 80% of the research and drafting, but for any high-stakes interaction, like a contract or a technical proposal, the auditor agent drops the draft into a review folder into your CRM. A human rep spends 30 seconds giving it the final nod of approval before it goes out. This gives you the speed of an agent with the safety of a senior executive. Some quick tips to secure your AI output. Require the AI to link to the source documents. This makes every claim verifiable by a human or another agent. Force outputs into specific formats. This prevents the AI from adding fluff, where hallucinations often hide. Use negative constraints. Example, do not guess numbers. This forces the AI to acknowledge its limitations. The brands that win won't be the ones that are fully autonomous, they will be the ones that are autonomously accurate. The cost of a hallucination is your reputation. The cost of an audit is just a little bit of engineering. Stop hoping your AI tells the truth and start building a system that ensures it. Like and subscribe for more AI and HubSpot tips and tricks. Bye.